Everyone on YouTube says you can build a gaming PC under 40,000 rupees in India, but I actually went and checked every single price on Indian websites in 2026. And the answer might surprise you. Let me show you exactly what I found, part by part, with real prices. Welcome to LagFreeZone, where we give you honest PC and gaming content with no fluff. In this video, I checked prices on mdcomputers.in for every single part. No outdated prices, no fake builds, just real numbers you can actually use today. Let's get into it. First, the CPU, the brain of your PC. For a 40,000 rupee budget, the best choice right now is the AMD Ryzen 5 5500 GT. It costs 12,920 rupees on mdcomputers.in. The most important thing about this CPU, it has built-in Vega 7 graphics. That means you do not need a separate graphics card to get started. You can play Valorant, CS2, and older titles at medium settings right out of the box. This one choice saves you 8,000 to 15,000 rupees compared to buying a separate GPU. Next, the motherboard. This is the base that holds everything together. For our Ryzen 5 5500 GT, we need an AM4 socket board. The MSI A520M-A Pro at 5,150 rupees is the perfect choice. It is reliable, has good build quality, supports fast RAM, and has an M2 slot for our SSD. MSI is a trusted brand, and this board has been popular in India for years. Running total so far, 18,070 rupees. Now RAM. And this is where I have to be honest with you. RAM prices in India right now are painful. The cheapest decent 16 gigabytes DR4 3200 megahertz RAM I found was the EVM 16 gigabytes at 8,210 rupees, and 16 gigabytes is the minimum in 2026. Do not go for 8 gigabytes. Even Chrome will eat it up. The good news? EVM is a reliable brand with good reviews. Running total, 26,280 rupees. We have about 14,000 rupees left for 3 more parts. Storage, and please get an SSD, not an HDD. SSDs make your PC boot in 10 seconds instead of a full minute. The EVM 512 gigabytes NVMe Gen3 at 6,239 rupees is the best value option I found. 512 gigabytes fits Windows plus 4 to 5 games comfortably. NVMe means it plugs directly into the motherboard. No cables needed, super fast. Running total, 32,519 rupees, just PSU and cabinet left, and we have about 7,500 rupees for both. Last 2 parts, PSU and cabinet. For the power supply, Antec Atom V450 at just 1,865 rupees. Antec is a trusted brand, and 450 watts is more than enough for this build, since we have no dedicated GPU. For the cabinet, Esports Si28 at 2,250 rupees. Simple, clean, good airflow, fits our MATX motherboard perfectly. Running total, 36,634 rupees. That is under 40,000 rupees with 3,366 rupees to spare. So can you actually build a PC under 40,000 rupees in India in 2026? Yes, you can. Total comes to 36,634 rupees with real current prices. The 3,366 rupees left over can go towards a keyboard and mouse, or save it towards a dedicated GPU later. The biggest challenge is RAM. Prices are high right now, but the Ryzen 5 5500 GT with built-in graphics makes this budget work. All part links and prices are in the description below. Check prices before buying, they change daily. If this helped you, subscribe to LagFreeZone. We post honest PC build and gaming content every week. Drop a comment below. Are you planning to build this PC? I read every comment. Links to all parts are in the description. See you in the next one.